Hey, so today I am going to be copying Uche's video. I'm so excited. It's gonna be my first time doing my makeup like this and talking through it. But you know the vibes. The makeup always eats. So we're gonna get into it. Keep on watching. Okay, so first for my primer, I'm going to be going in with the Embryolisse. I don't know if that's how you say it. She did prime a second time, so I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to try to follow her steps as closely as possible. So now I'm going to go in with the NYX Brow Glue, and I'm going to do my brows. Okay, so I filled in my brows with this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And now I'm gonna go in with some concealer and clean them up and blend it out just like she did. Gonna blend that out. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the House Labs and NARS. So for this step, she painted it on and then blended it out. So I've never did it, but I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it her way all the way. And I'm going to take this Real Techniques 204 brush and I'm going to blend out my foundation. Okay, now I'm going to go on my concealer and I'm going to use this Kiss Full Coverage Concealer. It's one of my favorite concealers. If you haven't tried, highly recommend it. But yeah, I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply it the same way she applied her. This is definitely new for me because I usually use more concealer than this, but using the curved case. So I'm gonna use the color Chocolate Charm and Shade and Laid. And blend all this out. Now we're going to start on the concealer. Now I'm going to blend out the nose contour. Now we're going to brighten, and for this one I'm using the same Kiss concealer, but this one is in 320 Warm Honey. The first one was in 332 Classic Tan. And she didn't wait, she went ahead and blended it out, so I'm going to go ahead and blend mine out. So now we're going to go in and we're going to bake, and we're going to use the Huda Beauty Banana Bread baking powder just like she did, because period. Take it on a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with a powder bronzer, and I'm going to mix my Morphe with this P. Louise shade right here. So now we're going in with the One Size setting powder and taking the powder puff, already tapped off the extra powder, and we're going to put it on the eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a blush, and I'm going to take these two, and we're going to apply a little bit of that. And I'm going to apply the blush with the Morphe and Ariel Collab brush. This is my favorite blush brush, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so she said this is the point where if you want to apply a setting spray to kind of blend the powder, you can. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use my One Size setting powder. Not setting powder, setting spray. I lied. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go in with this All Day Tight Makeup Setting Fix. I got this from Amazon, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on. Okay, so now that I'm finished with the eyes, I'm gonna move on to the lips. And please, y'all, do not judge me looking like I ain't got no top lip. I added the contour to the top lip because I realized I forgot it earlier, but now we're gonna move on to the lip. So I'm gonna start off with this Ruby Kisses liner in dark brown. Now that our lips are lined, I'm gonna go in with this Essence lipstick in the color Special. I'm gonna go in with this lip oil. I got it from my local beauty supply. This is what it looks like in case y'all want to see it and are able to find it. Okay, y'all, so what do y'all think? Because I personally love it. Yeah, she definitely did her big one. Definitely.